Hello, boys and girls. Today, for math, we're going to review our two-dimensional shapes. Okay, so Miss Huff is going to draw some two-dimensional shapes. And I want you to tell me what the name of those shapes are. Okay, on Seesaw, you're going to have to do a shape sort. Okay, so I'm going to have pictures, and they're going to have shapes. And you're going to have to sort them into where they belong. Okay, so you're going to have pictures of real life things, and you're going to have to decide what they are and put them in that category. Okay? We're only doing our two-dimensional shapes today. Okay? We're not going to do our three-dimensional shapes. We're just going to do our two-dimensional shapes. Okay? So here comes our first shape. What shape is this? Very good. This is a square. And a square has how many sides? You're right. A square has 4 sides. But what's special about all those sides? You're right. They're all the same length. So a square has 4 sides and they're all the same length. Okay? Now let's look at this shape. What shape is this? Very good. This is a rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have? You're right. It has 4 sides. But what's different between the rectangle and the square? Very good. The rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Nice work. Okay. What shape is this? What shape is that? Very good. This is a triangle. A triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? Very good. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice job. Okay, what shape is this? Very good. This is a circle. How many sides does a circle have? You're right. A circle doesn't have any sides because it's round all the way. It has no sides. Okay. What shape is this? Count your sides. How many sides does this shape have? Very good. This shape has 6 sides. And if it has 6 sides, what do we call it? You're right. It's called a hexagon. Okay, I'm going to draw another shape next to it. You have to tell me what we call this shape. What do we call this shape? You're right. It's also a hexagon because it also has 6 sides. So as long as a shape has 6 straight sides, it's a hexagon. Let's see here. Could this be a hexagon? Can this be a hexagon? You're right, it can't because it has a curved side. It doesn't have 6 straight sides. It has 5 straight sides and a curve. So that couldn't be a hexagon. Okay, so on Seesaw, you're going to have a bunch of pictures, and you're going to click on the pictures and drag them to where they need to go. You're also going to have another page, and on that page, you are going to see a 10 frame, okay? And in the 10 frame, you are going to see a certain number of dots, okay? And there will be a line off to the side. So you're going to count how many dots you see, and you're going to write that number on the line. So how many dots do you see here? You're right, you see 2. So on the line, you have to write the number 2. So, remember our line. A candy cane will never do. Slide to the right. And that's a 2. Okay? So you have your 2, and then you write the number 2. Okay? Those are the 2 things that you're going to do on Seesaw for math. Keep up the great work, kindergarten. I can't wait to see your shape sort and your numbers that you find in your 10 frames. Keep it up.